Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at the Metra booth at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. We're checking out some of the new dash kits that they have here available that were released this year. Some for older vehicles that now have a solution for single and double DIN units. Let's check them out. One of the dash kits we'd love to check out is this Nissan Altima dash kit. It's the Metra 95-7637 dash kit. What this allows you to do is either integrate a single or double DIN radio in the factory location. It's painted to match the factory dash color, made of high strength ABS plastic and manufactured here in the US. Comes with the dash bezel itself and all the brackets to accommodate either a single or double DIN radio. If you have any questions on this specifically, go ahead and check out Metra's website. And if you have a Nissan Altima within these years and want to install a double DIN or single DIN radio in the factory location, pick one of these up. Thanks for watching.